Time to rest, says the clock. Lumi listens, tick tock. Lumi listens, tick tock. The curtain moves with the night air. Not fast, not loud, just swish, soft and slow. Lumi's ears glow gently. Swish, rustle, rustle, swish, swish. Soft breathing and slight room. Tone silence between sounds. All sound effects should feel far away, safe and comforting. Lumi listens again. Lumi listens again. All sounds are gentle.